The clan was first produced by Villiera in 2015. It reflects our close family unity, our Scottish heritage, and our commitment to quality. Attention to detail was foremost in our minds while creating and packaging the clan. We have a special block of Cabernet Franc that we utilize for the clan. As a point of difference, we add about 10% Carignan to freshen up the wine and increase the longevity.
This wine has been made with a lot of experience of that block of Cabernet Franc, because we've been utilizing that block to create a wine that I make for the Cape Winemakers Guild auction for many years. The drip barrel is just a couple of barrels on a 20-ton tank load. It's the heart of a red wine. It's the portion that under the gravitational pressure of the skins just oozes out of that massive skins. It comes out brilliant, clear, loaded with fruit, very intense. Of course, to improve the maturation potential of the wine, we mature it in barrels for about 18 months. That is 60% new barrels. Very importantly, we create wines, especially red wines, to go with food. The clan is the ideal red to go with quite a rich red meat dish. My preferred option would be a lamb dish, Moroccan style, with a little bit of spiciness, because the wine itself has an element of spice. There's obviously the oak spice, but there's also a slightly smoky graphite-like character that comes with Cabernet Franc, the variety.